Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to see how to invest in Coinbase. There are two main ways to invest in Coinbase: buying Coinbase stock or buying crypto directly on Binance. Coinbase Global Inc. trades on the NASDAQ under the ticket coin. You can buy it like any other stock. Open a brokerage account and select coin. Then enter how many shares or fractional shares you want to buy. Place your order, and once confirmed, you officially own Coinbase stock. The second option is to invest by buying crypto on Coinbase. Go to Coinbase and add a payment method, then tap buy and sell. Then choose the crypto you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to invest, then tap preview buy, review details, then confirm. Your crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet. Just a tip: stock investment, which is owning a part of Coinbase as a company, and crypto investment on Coinbase, owning digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.